Do you constantly miss your periods, or they are not regular, or it is there but not flowing well as it should? Are you gaining weight rapidly, or you found that you are having acne, you are having serious breakouts all over, or you found that you are beginning to grow hairs where you are not supposed to grow hairs, like ladies having mustache, growing hairs on the chest, at the back and all that? Or you found out that you're beginning to have anxiety and depression, maybe before or during or after your periods, then it could be that you have a little fluctuations in your hormones. What that means is that you have what we call hormonal imbalance. So hormonal imbalance is when the hormones are not at their normal level. Some hormones begin to go up higher than normal, while some begin to go lower than normal. That is, they are not at their normal level. And this can cause disagreement and it can scatter the normal body system. So number one thing that can actually cause this hormonal imbalance is infection. Yes, there are some kinds of infections that if left untreated or not well treated, they can progress and scatter your hormones, scatter your system. And that is why it's always advisable that whenever you notice any kind of abnormality in your system, don't just sit down and self-medicate. Make sure you run a proper test so that you get the right treatment for it. Then the kind of medications that you take can also contribute to this condition. Yes, if you are the type that normally take all these oral contraceptives, you abuse oral contraceptives, because these oral contraceptives, they are hormonal medications, and if not properly taken, they can scatter your hormones, and before you know it, you're already there. Then poor feeding, the kind of food you eat, the kind of food you take can as well contribute to this. Then another thing is stress. Stress can come in different forms. It can be physical stress, mental stress, or emotional stress. Stress has a way of affecting our body system in a negative way. If you notice any of those things I mentioned earlier in your body or your system, please make sure you visit a doctor. Your doctor will tell you the kind of test you will run, maybe hormone profile test, to determine the level of each of the hormones in your body and know if they are normal or not, and then rule out any kind of hormone related issues. Could be PCOS or other kinds of infections, so you can get the right treatment and make sure it doesn't affect you in future.